In 5 minutes, you'll build a landing page hero section in Figma, even if this is your first file. End result: a clean desktop hero with a headline block, support text, one button, and one image area. Press F and choose Desktop 1440. We're starting with one frame, one 12-column grid, and one simple rule: build the big blocks first. Think in 4 parts only for now: headline, body copy, button, image. That keeps the page clear and stops you getting stuck on tiny details too early. Start on a blank Figma file and press F for the frame tool. In the right panel, choose Desktop 1440. That gives you a frame 1440 pixels wide, which is a common desktop canvas for web mockups. The frame is the page container, so everything stays in one place instead of floating around the canvas. Rename the frame Landing Page Hero in the Layers panel. We're keeping this build tight, so one frame is enough. No extra artboards, no color styles yet, no components yet. Just one clear page area to work inside. Now add structure before style. Select the frame, go to Layout Grid on the right, and click the plus icon. Change grid to columns. Set count to 12, margin to 120, and gutter to 24. Those numbers give you a centered content area with comfortable space between columns. These columns are guides, not rules. They help you line things up so the page feels steady instead of random. We're not decorating anything yet. We're placing content on rails, which makes the next steps much easier for beginners. Now block out the hero with rectangles. Press R and draw a headline area across about 5 columns on the left. Under that, add a smaller rectangle for support text, around 2 lines tall. Then add a button block at about 160 by 48. On the right, draw one large image placeholder across roughly 6 columns. Keep the left side for message and action, and the right side for visual context. At this stage, boxes are enough. You're testing layout first, which is exactly how you avoid fussing over fonts before the structure works. Now use Auto Layout for spacing. Select the support text block and button. Then press Shift-A. In the right panel, set the spacing between items to 16. Next, select the headline, body, and button group and press Shift-A again. Set that vertical spacing to 24. Auto Layout means the stack manages the gaps for you instead of you dragging each item by eye. If you change the button height later from 48 to 52, the spacing still holds together. It's one of the easiest ways to make a beginner file feel organized fast. Quick checkpoint. The 3 steps so far are frame, layout grid, and auto layout. If one felt awkward, that's normal. Auto layout acts like a flexbox stack with adjustable gaps, which is why web designers lean on it so much. Drop a comment with the number that matched your hardest step: 1 for frames, 2 for layout grid, or 3 for auto layout. I use those replies to shape the next beginner videos and future critiques. That gives me a clear map of what to slow down and explain better. Now, let's make the spacing feel intentional fast. Keep the headline, body, and button aligned to the same left edge. Add about 96 pixels of top padding to the hero and 80 below, so the section has breathing room. Make the button a solid color. Make the image placeholder a light gray, like #E5, E7, EB. Add one real text step here too. Use a larger headline block than the support text, so the reading order is obvious. If everything has the same weight, nothing stands out. These small choices make placeholder content feel structured, not random. That's the full first pass. One 1440 frame, one 12-column grid, a clear hero structure, auto layout for spacing, and a quick export. Select the frame, click Export, and save it at 1 times so you can track version 1. Yesterday was the Figma Basics setup. Tomorrow we redesign a weak hero using the same frame and grid, so you can see what changes actually improve a layout. If that would help, subscribe for day 3. The goal here is simple: build one small section well, then improve it with each video in the series.